morning. So I wanted to give a quick update on the channel. Got some stuff going on with the truck. Took it four-wheeling last weekend. This video is actually going to upload before the off-roading video that I'm working on for Illinois Gulch, because I need to do a couple of things to the truck. When it snowed last week, I was trying to back the truck up into my driveway to hook up a trailer so I could help my father-in-law move some wood. And I put it in 4 low because it was super slick and it was acting funny, so I put it back in 4 high, and now it's not going back into 4 low. So I'm going to take a look at it, see what's going on with it. I'm got to check the actuators and stuff like that for the front differential. So I also wanted to kind of give an update of where I've been on the truck. So last year I had to do some pretty major repairs on it. I basically rebuilt the whole front end, rebuilt the front CV axles, new upper ball joints, new wheel bearings, made sure everything else was good to go up front. So that took a little while to get the parts ordered. I had to order custom axles from CVJ Axle up in Denver. They're very nice. I'll show you some pictures of them here in a moment. And everything's running great now. Everything's good except for this 4-wheel drive issue, but that's what happens with old trucks. So plan to do lots of trips this year, as much as I possibly can. Already have a trip to Ouray planned, so we plan on running Imogene and possibly Black Bear. So that should be fun. Should be a good season. I'm trying to get in front of the camera more, so hopefully that works out and you guys like that, and we'll see how the year goes. Thanks. So these are the new axles I got. So they have a stock Toyota outer boot, which is the black one here, and then the inner boot I went ahead and went with the higher angle inner boot, so that because with the lift on the truck it was causing too much stress on those normal boots. I also kept going with the cheap Chinese ones, so they kept dying on me. So these are nice and heavy duty. I'm very happy with them so far. Now we gotta figure out what's going on with the differential. All the wires look good. It looks clean. Alright, I'm gonna have to do some more research online. I'm done messing with it today. I think the actuator's bad, or I need to take it apart and clean it. But I don't have time for that today, so it still runs, it still works. I'm just gonna have to figure that out before I go on my next wheeling trip.